Hi guys, namaste, easy money. Brokenlink for n00p. I made $1,500 in month. How to find easy vulnerability that pay you. Here I am discussing about Brokenlink hijacking. What is Brokenlink hijacking? How to report Brokenlink hijacking on HackerOwn or BugCrowd, other platform, report templates. Hi H1 team, good morning. Found Brokenlink on your main domains. Description. This web application contains resources, scripts or frames that are loaded from a non-resolving, potentially expired domain. An attacker can potentially register the expired domain and serve malicious HTML or JavaScript code, hijacking the resource. Steps to reproduce one. Visit 2. Hit Ctrl+F and finds, open in next tab 3. Mention screenshot that death link, this one 4. Now go to GoDaddy.com and search if the domain is available. You'll see that the domain is available and you can purchase it. Mention here GoDaddy available screenshot photo here, https://www.whatsmidens.net/doma in availability. Go set, search here also to confirm. References. This post by edoverflow https://gist.github. edoverflow 24e0bb929169 eb948bb7f3d0 a2d 5528f https://hackerOwn reports 2 66908 https://hackerOwn reports 279717. Best regards, your name, impact, content, hijacking, information leakage, phishing attacks, business impact, loss of reputation. Thanks you. Hope this video will help you to find Brokenlink and make easy money happy. Bug bounty hackers.